a senior lecturer at the University of Leeds, Beckett, in the United Kingdom. His name is Steve Taylor. He gives several reasons in an article that he's written about the importance or the power of purpose. Among these, he says, first of all, purpose serves what he calls the psychological discord. What is the psychological discord? He says it is the uneasiness of not knowing what to do. Have you sometimes had a time when you had your children come to you and say, Dad, Mom, I'm bored, I don't know what to do. Dad, give me something to do. What should I do? I'm bored. And so, if they're not provided with something to do, it's okay, I'm going to go play games. I'm going to go watch some whatever. But if you start giving them a purpose, okay, why don't you try this? Why don't you play a game? Why don't you prepare, for example, for the match that you have coming up? Why don't you go play out? Get ready for the match. The second advantage of having a purpose is something he calls the flow. Flow means you start doing things that will make you enjoy what you're doing, and it makes you less worried about your own problems. It doesn't mean that you ignore your problems. No, but you have problems, you work in resolving them. And instead of just sitting down and saying, what am I going to do with this? How am I going to do that? Having anxiety and so on and so forth. Developing that purpose. But you're not sitting down 24/7 just thinking about what am I going to do about my problem? What am I going to do about my problem? And all that stuff. And then start getting anxious about it and developing stress and so on and so forth. Okay. Third, he says once people have a purpose and they start working towards it, what happens? They start developing self-esteem. They start developing self-esteem, meaning that, okay, I am doing a contribution to the society. I am making a difference. I am achieving my goals. That builds some confidence. So that's great. And fourth, he says it gives people hope. People get hope when they understand that they have a purpose, that they have something to do. So there are four things that he mentions about the significance of having a purpose, developing a purpose.